Hey there, it's Adam from Airdrop Insider. Ever wondered how you can earn free cryptocurrency without spending a single penny? Well, today, I'm going to show you how crypto airdrops work and how they could help you make some serious profits. As always, if you have any questions or need guidance, you can reach out to me directly on Telegram. I'm here to help with advice, updates, and support for all things crypto. The link is in the description below, so don't hesitate to connect. Let's dive in. So what exactly is a crypto airdrop? Picture this. A new cryptocurrency project is launching, and they want to get noticed. To do this, they give away free tokens to eligible users, kind of like handing out free samples at a store. But instead of snacks, it's digital tokens that could grow in value over time. Now, here's the exciting part. Some airdrops can generate some serious profit. Imagine receiving a handful of tokens today, tokens that, in a few months or even a year, could be worth hundreds or thousands of dollars. That's the kind of potential we're talking about here. You might be asking, why would anyone give away free tokens? The answer is simple: marketing. By distributing tokens, these projects build their community, get their name out there, and generate interest in their ecosystem. And while they're growing, you're getting free crypto. So it's a win-win. There are two main types of airdrops. Number one, holder airdrops. If you already hold a certain cryptocurrency, say Bitcoin or Ethereum, you could receive free tokens simply for being a holder. No extra steps required. These tokens are sent directly to your wallet, and they could grow in value, which means you make a profit without lifting a finger. Number two, task-based airdrops. These are a bit more interactive. You complete simple tasks like following a project on social media, sharing a post, or joining their Telegram group, and in exchange, you receive free tokens. These tasks are usually easy and quick, and the rewards could be worth it. You never know. Those small tasks could translate into a significant payout later on. And if you ever need guidance or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me directly through the Airdrop Insider Telegram channel. I'm here to help you navigate the world of airdrops, give advice on the best current projects, and make sure you're maximizing your profit potential. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned pro, I'll be there to answer all your questions and help you succeed. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and follow. See you in the next one, and happy airdropping.